3 to the power 5 minus 3 to the power 4 is 2 to the power x. So find the x value. What is the x value? First we can write 3 to the power 5, we can write 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 1, and this is the 3 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power x. And now take the common 3 to the power 4. So there is 1 to the power 1, and this is 1, the 2 to the power x. And now this 3 to the power 4, and there 3 minus 1, so 2, so 2 to the power x. And 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81 into 2, so 2 to the power x. So this is the value of this value and 2 to the power x. So take the log of both of sides. So you can write log the 2, and this is the log 2 to the power x. And now this the log 162. This is the x log 2. So there the log 2 divide this log 2. This is the x. So now you can write log 2. This is the x. So this is the x value.